American truck driver, road rage, brake check, instant karma, car crash, bad drivers. So let's get started. Possible distracted or drunk driver gets pulled over after semi blew her horn. BMW illegally overtakes large trucks and went in front of the truck in the left lane and checked the brakes. The car on the left decided to cross the right lane in front of the moving semi-truck. The car narrowly escaped being hit by a semi. How to get a ticket? Car almost gets sandwiched. This four-wheeler passes the semi on the left side and checks the brakes in front. As a result, the back of the car was crushed by the impact of the semi. Although the video doesn't show it, the cruise attempted to overtake the truck via a diminishing lane entering a construction zone. He pulled into a parking lot on that road. Pickup truck enters the wrong lane and causes wreck. FedEx truck rolls down. Hill driver runs after it. The semi-truck was moving in its own lane. The four-wheeler was in the left lane, but ran out of lane. So it's his responsibility to merge safely. Both insurance companies said the car driver was 100% at fault. The pickup came in front of the semi and checked the brakes. Brake check goes wrong. The semi-truck driver was driving in his own lane. The four-wheeler illegally crossed the left lane in front of the moving semi. Truck making a wide right turn, almost taking out an SUV that must have been in a real big hurry that his or her life or others it didn't matter. Woman makes illegal lane change, hits Porsche truck, unable to avoid. This car had plenty of time to merge, but it chose to cut edges off instead. This taxi cab was high-beaming, Semi going into the corner, then got in front of her and started brake-checking Semi. They wanted the far right turn lane, so they had to wait in front of me for the other lanes to clear. No thought behind their actions. Semi-truck driver gazed. Semi-truck driver was standing on the brakes before semi-truck driver pulled the horn. Sneaky Utah highway patrolman gets a four-wheeler for breakfast. That silver CV ran the light. Semi tried speaking with the driver, but they appeared unable to really talk amidst the shock of event and the airbag having gone off. Everyone was okay. Guy in a dog's ramp running from the police plays chicken with Semi probably wanting Semi freak out and flip Semi truck. Dump driver almost causes a wreck New York City Metro. Ace is in Hammer lane going 70 plus. An Amazon driver pulls off a right shoulder cutting off a car. Then the car cuts Aces to keep the Amazon driver hitting them. They jump in front of Aces 70 miles per hour plus and weighing 76,540 IBS. Raining caused my trailer to start a jackknife.